most powerful universal of law of attraction energy for attracting what you want into your life. When you tap into this energy, when you tap into this vibration, when you tap into this frequency, you're going to be able to leverage the power of the universe so that you can attract the things that you want into your life quicker, faster, and easier. Some people will be like, oh, you're lucky. Some people will be like, oh, that's not really possible. But your results are going to speak for themselves because you're going to tap into the universal energy of abundance. So this is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. This is the most powerful universal law of attraction energy frequency for attracting what you want. Let's dive right into this video. So the old man said to the little boy, said to the little girl, young grasshopper, the word is patience. But what is the energy of that? Here's what I mean. This is why most people don't attract what they want. They decide what it is that they want, they set their goals, they work hard at it, and they rewire their mind, but then they open their eyes one day and they say, and they look around, the money still isn't here, my relationship still isn't here, my soulmate isn't here, my dream job, career, lifestyle, it's not here yet. That thing that I've been imagining, it doesn't exist. Maybe it's not possible. Maybe God doesn't want it to be. Maybe God says it's not meant to be. Maybe I'm not smart enough. Maybe I'm too fat. Maybe I'm too old. Maybe I'm too young. Maybe I'm too skinny. Maybe my teeth are too crooked. Maybe I'm not smart enough. Maybe just I wasn't born in the right family. I don't have the right genetics. None of that is the issue. That's the problem. The energy of patience, not the word. You think about the word, you say, well, they're relaxed and they're waiting for something. We're talking about knowing the creative process of the universe. For something to become a physical object, to become physical in nature, it has to first pass through the spiritual and the mental emotional realms. Because you exist on 3 planes of existence. The physical plane, the spiritual emotion, or the emotional, mental, and the spiritual. You exist on the physical plane, the emotional, mental, and the spiritual. You exist on all 3 of those planes, the physical reality, the mental, emotional realm, and the spiritual realm. The spiritual realm is where you conjure up new ideas, where you say, you get inspired. Because the word inspired is in spirit. That's where you're in spirit and you come up with an idea. I want to do this. I want this. I want to experience this. I want my life to be like this. I'd like to have this. And then in the mental and emotional realms, it passes down just like water. You know, water can be liquid, it can be ice, or it can move into non-physical gas. So you're taking these non-physical dreams and desires. I want this out of my life. Think about what it is that you want. Do you want more money? Do you want a relationship? Is there a certain type of life that you want to live? Do you see some more? What is it that you see out of your life? Comment down below, what I want is here now. Comment that down below, what I want is here now. Comment that down below, what I want is here now. Comment that down below, what I want is here now. So it's here in the spiritual realm, but then we take it to the mental and emotional realms. So how do our mental and emotional realms? Generally by rationing. By rationalizing. Rationalize. We look out and we go, well, I wanted the money, but look, my bank account doesn't have any money. I wanted the soulmate, but now look. My last 5 relationships haven't worked out. I haven't really been in love with someone ever. Or it's been 5 years since I met someone I really liked. Yeah, I don't think there's any good guys left. I don't have enough money to attract the right women. And we use our eyes to say whether or not we're progressing. We're going from the emotional and the mental realm to look at the physical realm to decide what's possible. But that's the backwards way you create. It doesn't go from what's in the physical realm, it is what determines the mental and emotional realms, and that's what determines your spiritual DNA and your spiritual destiny. No, it goes from your spiritual DNA, your spiritual destiny, being inspired by some great goal, plan, purpose, extraordinary feat, style of life, things you want to experience. It goes from being inspired by that, then you feeling it before you have it. It goes from the spiritual realm up here to the mental and emotional realm right here. And your desire comes down to the mental and emotional realm. This stuff right here, your central nervous system, your brain. It goes from being inspired to coming into your central nervous system and brain. And then you start to feel and you go, man, yeah, that money's going to come. It's already here. My soulmate is coming. I'm going to focus on getting healthier, going to the gym, exercising. I'm going to focus on eating better. I'm going to focus on loving myself, being happy, all of these things, all of these great things, because I know that my soulmate's coming. I know the job's coming. I'm going to keep working hard. I know. So you start feeling it. And then you go in the mental realm, you go from I hope or I wish or maybe this is possible to an energy of certainty, an energy of knowing, an energy where psychologically, emotionally, mentally, and spiritually, you're already connected to your desire as if it already exists. You're already connected to the reality of it, even though your physical senses don't see it yet. When that happens, that creates the energy like force field. It creates the energy field. It creates the magnetic pull that then starts to pull the physical objects, the physical circumstances, the physical experiences of your life to match that emotional, mental, spiritual energy. Because you don't end right here. You're an energy field. This is just energy. This isn't physical. This is energy. And it's manifested from the spiritual dimension because everything is made up of spirit energy or God energy or universal energy. We're all different manifestations of this one energy. So I go from there, the spiritual realm, then I start feeling it here in the mental and emotional realm. Then it manifests down here in the physical realm. That's how thoughts become things. That's how energy becomes things. But the biggest block is that people go from their inspiration up here, then when it gets in the mental and emotional realm, they start to go, I don't know whether that's possible. I hope, I wish, I'll be patient, but I really hope. I'll be patient, but I really wish. Patience isn't an energy of helplessness. Patience is an energy of, man, I know it's coming and I understand the creative process of the universe. When you rationally understand the creative process of the universe, that everything in the physical universe, including money, other people, walls, chairs, cars, houses, everything is energy. Everything is energy. That 95 to 99% of an atom, the physical building blocks of our universe, is empty space. I'm made up of this same universal energy, and everything I want is made up of this same universal energy. And in order to affect this physical realm, which is really an energy realm that appears physical based off of the vibratory rate that your eyes can pick up and perceive, in the bandwidths of visible light your eyes can experience, but there's more energy happening, right? So you go from, I'm inspired by this thing, my spiritual destiny, my spiritual DNA, I feel connected to, having financial freedom, living in this city, living in this town, traveling to this place, doing this with my career, having this with my love life, having this with my friendships, my relationships. When I wake up in the morning every day, here's how I imagine and envision my life to be. Spiritual realm, mental. I know it's happening. I can feel it. I feel the energy of it. I understand that in order to create something on the physical realm, I have to feel it. I have to see it in my mind as if it's already happened. I'm not going to allow the outside world to control my thinking. I'm not going to allow my bank account to control my thinking. And because I don't have money in the physical realm yet, I'm not going to start saying, oh, I'm broke. Oh, it's not happening. The fact that my last relationships haven't worked out, I'm not going to say, oh, my soulmate isn't out there. No. I understand that I have to change that vibratory pattern from reacting to my present circumstances to creating them by shifting my consciousness and observing a new reality within my mind, within the spiritual realm. And that's what's going to make it into a physical reality. So comment down below, lack of evidence is not evidence of lack. Comment that down below. Lack of evidence is not evidence of lack. Comment that down below. Lack of evidence is not evidence of lack. Comment it. Lack of evidence is not evidence of lack. So what does that mean? Lack of evidence. Oh, look, it looks like there's no evidence that, my desires are coming true. Just look. I've heard things. That's focusing on the lack of evidence. But the lack of evidence that you see isn't evidence of lack. It's not evidence that there truly is lack in your future. Because the information you're currently getting from your physical world and your physical senses is actually just a reflection off of your past energy. It's not the truth. It's not your destiny. It's just a mirror of past. And in order to change this, we have to start going from the spiritual realms to the mental realms and the emotional realms to create and recreate the physical. So the energy, this universal law of attraction energy, this universal powerful frequency that's more powerful than any energy system, is your certainty. You know it. You feel it from the depths of your soul. You're feeling the energy of love. You're consciously focusing on bringing your attention to love, or bringing your attention to abundance and freedom and prosperity and money. You're bringing your attention to the energy of happiness and gratitude, and you're attracting people, circumstances, and situations that match that epic, amazing life that you're feeling and imagining within yourself. That vibrational harmony is what brings new things into life. That energy, your energy, is what eventually brings and rearranges and changes the outside energy around you. Steve Jobs said it in a really interesting way. He said, when you realize that this world that you're in was built by people who are no smarter than you, you can mold it, shape it, and change it however you want. You can mold, shape, and change the world, your world. Why can you mold the world how you want? Why can you shape the world how you want? Why can you change your world the way that you want? Your bank account, your love life, how can you change it? Because the physical world is all a reflection of the spiritual. And you're a divine being. You're an individualization of this universal energy that has created everything in this physical world. And you channel that power with your mental and emotional realms, with you holding the images of what it is that you want and feeling the expectation of them becoming a reality because they already exist in non-physical dimensions. Just like you blow a dog whistle and you can't hear the dog whistle. Is the dog whistle real? Yeah, it's real, but your ears are only created to pick up so much sound. Your eyes are only designed to see so much light, so much energy. There's other energy happening. The possibilities are already here. It's time to get excited about them coming to life, birthing themselves. That's the energy of patience. That's the energy of patience. And this is why a lot of people are sitting around saying, oh, it doesn't work. No, it does. You're a divine being. Remember that. From the spiritual realm to the mental realm, feeling it, then it becomes physical. Comment down below, thoughts become things. Comment that down below, thoughts become things. If you haven't yet, make sure you use my software, The Second Mind. I made a software designed so that the things that you're inspired by, inspired is in spirit, remember? So you're inspired, you're in the spiritual realm, then you want to create them. So then they start formulating ideas in your mind, feeling emotions around it, and thus creating how your brain reacts to it. So I created a software designed to rewire the brain for the reality that you want. Because we found out that in neuroscience, it says that nerve cells that fire together wire together. It's called Hebb's Law. You fire brain cells, you fire nerve cells every time you have an emotion, a thought, a feeling about something. But for most of us, they're wired towards what we do not want. So I created a software. The first mind is the one society has programmed. The second mind is your powerful mind. All this energy that we've been talking about so far, it's your brain being wired for that energy, that possibility, that power, that potential, that amazingness. That's the second mind. So right there down below is thesecondmind.com. It's free to demo. Right there down below, thesecondmind.com, pinned to the comments. And this is the true power of our mind. So thesecondmind.com, you can demo it for free right there down below. Hit the subscribe button, the bell notification. The bell notification is what notifies you for new videos. So even if you already subscribed, you gotta double check you've actually hit the bell notification. Someone just let me know the other day that they're subscribed and they're not getting any email or not getting any videos. Why is that? You have to make sure you hit the bell notification right there down below. Comment down below. Comment down below. Comment down below. Comment down below. I'm grateful for life. I'm grateful for life. I'm grateful I'm alive. I'm grateful you are alive. And I'm grateful that this universal energy created us and loves us so much that there's unlimited abundance and opportunity out there for you and I. So comment down below, I'm grateful for life. If you didn't yet, demo the second mind right there down below. Demo the second mind right there down below. If this video speaks to you, make sure you watch it again through it. And if you have somewhere to go, just listen to the audio. We need to change the paradigm. Let this stuff sink into the subconscious mind. So when you find a video that speaks to you, just listen through it 4 or 5 times. Let the audio play while you stretch, while you cook, while you walk, right? While you're driving, just play the audio, right? Obviously, do not watch this video while you drive, but you can listen to the audio. And that's what's going to allow this shift in consciousness to take place so you can create and claim the life that you're truly meant to live. So thesecondmind.com right there down below, thesecondmind.com right there down below. Hit like on this video to send it out into the YouTube universe. That's what notifies this video to new people. Thank you for sharing these videos on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, email, texting it to a friend. Thank you for doing that. And this is a movement about us all realizing and creating from the fact that we're divine beings. It's going to make the world an even more amazing place to live. So thank you for being a part of this, watching this video all the way through, sending you lots of love, sending you lots of positive energy, and comment down below, I'm grateful for life.